Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I bring to your attention fragrances that are usually good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another update and unboxing for you, and today update is for Weil Homme Gold. Again, this brand is quite a nice brand. They don't make very high-end fragrances, obviously. For a price under £20 you don't expect that, but for what you pay and what you get, they are quite good. This one, as it says gold, is quite sweet. It reminds me of 1 million, especially 1 million Lucky, because 1 million Lucky is a sweeter version, is brighter, and that's why it reminds me of that one. And this one is under £20 and the Lucky is around £60–70. so again, for what you pay, you're getting a good juice. So it opens up with big citrus. The citrus is very uplifting, is very very nice, is very easy going, and then it goes to the mid, which is dominated by orange blossom, and also some geranium is in there. It gives it a little bit of minty feel and also a little bit of floral feel. And then when it goes to dry down, is you're finishing up with vanilla and cedar. Overall, it's quite a simple composition, but it's very nice for, especially for youngsters. If you are a youngster and you're on budget, this is a very good fragrance. It doesn't have an age, doesn't have occasion, doesn't have any season, so it's one of those very versatile fragrances. So if you like something similar to 1 million or 1 million Lucky, this is a good alternative. It will last you around 6 hours, give or take. On me it went a little bit longer, but I would say 6 hours to be on the safe side. Yeah, but say 5 to 6 hours the performance, with an hour and a half of good projection, an hour to an hour and a half good projection. So again, it's not a huge performer. It's EDP, which is a little bit on the disappointing side, but if you put it on t-shirt, it goes much longer. So this one is better. If you put it on the skin, 5 to 6 hours. You put it on t-shirt, it goes up to 8 hours. So that's not bad, again, for under £20. Okay guys, so that was the update for Weil Homme Gold, and I recommend it, as I said, for the things I mentioned. Plus, if you are a youngster on a budget, this is very good. Okay guys, let's go to today's unboxing and first impression. And this is another fragrance brand is not mentioned in the community, or almost nobody's mentioning it, and this is Axis, 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 and this one is Winner, and this is Eau de Toilette. So this one is in the UK. You can only find it in one place, and that is the Perfume shop. It's quite a well-known shop. They have this brand as their own basic brand. You pay around £10 for it for 100 ml, which is an absolute bargain. And I have few other Axis as well, and they're, again, for what you pay, for tenner, you cannot go wrong. They are very nice. They're trying to copy some famous fragrances, and that's understandable. Again, for £10 you don't expect it to be a masterpiece. Okay, so let's unbox it. And this is, again, Axis Winner Eau de Toilette, 100 ml, and leave in the description where you can find it for £10. It doesn't break the bank. It's cheap. So let's see how. So as you can see, very simple box, but it does the job perfectly, which is to protect the bottle. And the bottle is quite nice, again, for £10. Very simple bottle, but it's quite nice looking. The cap is most certainly plastic, and the atomizer, good atomizer, not bad. It's not a perfect atomizer, but again, for £10, you understand. Okay, so how is the first sniff and first impression of this? Yes, it's Invictus. This is copy number 6800. So yeah, they are trying to copy Invictus. It's again very fruity, very sweet, bubblegum, and also a little bit of aquaticness to it. Very fruity, very sweet, and it's got a little bit of minty feel to it for some reason. I don't know if it's that intentional or they just, you know, came up with this accidentally, but it's got a little bit of minty feel to it. But overall, for £10, you get an Invictus, and right now it's quite nice. As I said, I have few of other fragrances from this line. I think about 4 or 5 of them, and none of them are disappointing. They are quite nice. They're smelling quite good. They perform medium, between 5 to 6 hours. If you put it on t-shirt, maybe a little bit longer. So this one I will let you know in the next video if it's how it's performing, how's the development, and things like this. But for right now, first impression, Invictus for a tenner. So if you're a youngster, again, you like Invictus DNA and you don't have the budget, perfect. If you are a person who doesn't have the budget and you like to try Invictus, perfect. If you are somebody who thinks you shouldn't pay an arm and leg for a perfume, again, this is perfect for you. So overall, again, not a groundbreaking, not a perfect masterpiece or anything like that. It's just a simple fragrance trying to please simple folks who don't have a big budget, and that is commendable, because you know not everybody has £100-200 to go and spend on fragrances. Okay, so for £10, 100 ml EDT Invictus or similar to Invictus, I'm happy. Smells good. What can I say? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining me. If you like the video, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, hit that bell button for future uploads, and also share it with others if you can. That will help me to expand my channel, and I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.